Hi, so we are going to be discussing the data that we gathered in our business ideas survey. My name is Mya NAVA.
My name is Sophia Veronica R. Sanchez.
My name is Michris A. Castillo from 1ITI.
My name is Charles Anrei Valerio from 1ITI.
And we will start now.
In this slide, we have shown the bar graph of our 102 responses from the data that we have gathered. In our 102 respondents, it is evident that most of our respondents are 19 years old and thus accumulated a percentage of 49%. Following this, we have a second percentage belonging to the age of 20 years old that have a percentage of 29.8%. Meanwhile, the third highest percentage belongs to the 18 years old that obtained a percentage of 12.8%. In this slide, the pie chart will show what percentage of our participants is at their college years. Since most of our respondents ages from 18 to 20 years old, majority of it is at their first year college, and this gathered a percentage of 81%. The second highest has accumulated 13.7%, which belongs to the second year college.
Next, I will show you the pie chart of the colleges of the respondents. So the pie chart shows that the top two colleges of the students who answered our survey came from the College of Fine Arts and Design, which is also called as CFAD. It accumulated a percentage of 30.4%, and the second to the highest percentage belongs to the Faculty of Arts and Letters, which accumulated a percentage of 6.9%.
As you can see, this is the pie chart of the data that we gathered in the major or program. As you can see in the graph, majority of the students who answered the survey are from the industrial design with the 16.7%, followed by architecture with 6.9%, considering that the previous data collected are from the College of Fine Arts and Design.
Next, I'm going to show you what majority of the cities our respondents came from based on our survey. Manila and Quezon City evidently shows that these two cities are the highest in our gathered data. The city Manila shows that they have a participation of 19.6%, while Quezon City have a percentage of 14.7%.
In this slide, we are showing the data of the question number 1, the pie chart of what backup device have you already used. Out of 102 respondents, there are 56.9% that already use external hard disk drive, flash drive, and cloud storage, while there are 20.6% which use flash drive and cloud storage, 6.9 going to those who use flash drive only, and 5.9% to those who use cloud storage only, while the other 5.9% are the people that use both HDD and the flash drive, while there are 2.9% the people that use only the external HDD. The remaining 1% is the people that use external HDD and the cloud storage.
So for question number 2, how frequently do you use your backup device? Here, we have shown here in the PowerPoint the answers that the respondents have given. So most of our respondents answered that they use their backup device sometimes. Other answers includes often, always, seldom, rarely, or when necessary, and such. But again, majority answered sometimes.
So this is the bar graph of the files that the respondents usually back up in their device. According to the data, top 3 files that the respondents back up are the photos with 90.2%, documents 86.3%, and videos 80.4%.
In this slide, this is the slide that shows the data of the pie on regarding question number 4 on how frequently do you check the contents of your backup files. Out of 102 respondents, 19.6% of them have answered that sometimes they check their backup devices, while 9.9% of the respondents have answered always, and then the Other 8.8% answered rarely. In this slide, this is the pie chart data of how often do you bring your device with you. The 102 respondents, 20.8% of the respondents answered that they never bring or brought their backup device with them, while 14.9% answered that they bring their backup devices with them
So here
sometimes.
are the responses of the students regarding the difference of hard drive among other backup devices. So most of the respondents gave the answer of storage capacity as difference of hard drive from other backup devices.
In this slide, we are showing the data of the pie chart data of what benefits of the hard drive they like the most. Out of 100% of the respondents, 59.8% of them have chosen that storage capacity is the most benefit of the hard drive. That's why they chose to go with hard drive. And 14.7% chose that because it is a hard drive, they last longer. While 13.7% chose that because of the improved performance. And the remaining 11.8% chose portability to go with the hard disk drive.
This table shows the answer of our respondents based on the question: if you already utilized a hard drive before or other external storage devices like flash drive, do you find that connecting it on other devices before seeing its content inefficient? Please explain your answer. According to the data gathered, majority of our respondents answered yes with varieties of reasons, while others answered no or it depends.
So here are the response of the question, what cons are you experiencing in the casual hard drive? Most of the respondents don't experience any cons while using a hard drive, but there are some who answered that it can be pretty bulky, there are data corruptions, fragile or durability of the hard drive, it can be expensive or pretty costly, and not efficient when viewing files.
So next is for question 10. What upgrades or improvements would you want to change on a hard drive if you have the ability to do so? So these are the answers of the respondents. So the respondents have different answers to the question. Some wanted to add Bluetooth connection and to make the hard drive more affordable. Some wanted to improve it by making it smaller but more powerful, meaning they wanted to be more portable. And others said that make it more portable and improve its efficiency to view contents and edit contents so that it will be more efficient and more easy to use. For our user story, as a student, I want to be able to back up and store my files such as my documents, photos, and videos, which I will access frequently with the use of a device with maximum capacity, security, accessibility, and efficiency to prevent data loss. So the user will be the students, and the job to be done will be back up and store files such as documents, photos, and videos, which will be accessed frequently, and the purpose of the job would be to prevent data loss by utilizing a device with maximum capacity, security, accessibility, and efficiency.
In this slide, we are presenting our customer value proposition that says our product helps educators and students alike by providing a hard drive that can be checked its content immediately. This ensures that the customers will utilize the use of the hard drive with ease and portability.
Thank you for listening. So once again, I am Mya Nava.
I'm Sophia Sanchez.
I'm Michris Castillo.
And I'm Charles Anrei de Valerio.
Thank you.